How to increase download speed on Telegram. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you are having problems downloading files, then you have come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can increase the download speed on Telegram. So, in order to do that, first of all, open Telegram app on your device. Then, in the top right corner, you'll see search icon. Click on it. After you've done that, search for files to link. Then over here you can see the option, it says file to links bot. Click on it, then click on restart or start. Now after you've done that, go to the video you want to download and then forward it to that bot. After you forwarded the video, just try downloading the video again. Then you will surely notice some increased speed. So this is how you can increase the speed for download on your Telegram app. Thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you like it and meet you in the next video.